Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you how I made this mini inspirational book that can be opened up like this and tied back to back. You can use it to hang it or sit it on your desk. It's just a really cute and fun thing. Now this is not my idea, but I was asked to share how I put this together, so that's what I'm here to do today. Okay, so first of all, you'll need a 6x6 piece of paper. So I already cut this at 6 by 6 inches. And then we're going to score it with 1.5 inches, 3 inches, 4.5 inches, and that gives us 1.5 inches gap in between. And then we're going to flip it and score it again at 1.5 inches, 3 inches, 4.5. So this is what all our score lines look like. It's 16 little squares here. Okay, so now we're going to cut our papers. So we're going to cut down on the first score line here, and then we got 3 going across here, 3 score lines going this way. So on the third one coming down, we're going to stop right there. So you can use, your cutter, which is a lot easier, but if you don't have one, you can just use your X-Acto knife or whatever you use to cut with, and a ruler. So we just cut down to there, like that. And then we're going to go opposite. We're going to cut down on the middle line. And we're going to start, though, at this square here. So now our paper will look like that. And then, again, we're going to do it the cut opposite on the last grid line here. And we're going to cut down right to that point. So this is what our sheet looks like. And then you just fold it, fold down, fold under, fold down, and every time you're going to go to the next panel, you just fold under, and then you fold up, and you fold under and up, and then you tuck it under, and you keep folding in this way. And fold like that, and then fold, and it's not going to come out 100% even. It just doesn't. I don't know why it doesn't, but it doesn't. And now we're going to glue our pages together. Now for this one, I was going to have pockets in it, but I decided to seal them all up. So when you pick up your book, it's going to spring all open. But this is like our first page, and it opens up like that, but we don't want that. So I am going to glue this page. And I just find it easier to use glue for this, but certainly if you have just double-sided tape, that's fine too. And then our next one opens up like this, and as I said, you could make little pockets if you want, but for this particular book, the way it opens up, I seal up all the pages. Okay. And then we go to the next page, and it's opened up here. So we're going to glue that one. So it opens up like this. And then this is our next page, which is open. So we'll just seal this one up. And then we go to the next page and it opens up here. So we'll just seal this one up. And then this is our next page. And then this is our last page here. So there is our book. So you just keep following the pages and make sure that they're all sealed shut. Okay. Okay, next we grab a really thin ribbon, and I say thin just so it kind of goes with the book like this, and we're just going to leave enough to hang so that we can tie it. So I don't know, that's probably about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's almost a foot long. Okay. And we're just going to seal it down the middle. And I don't glue the back there, just so it has some room to swing open like that. And then you just go ahead and decorate your pages as you would. And if you want to cover this up, obviously, you know, you can use another piece of cardstock to cover up the ribbon if you like. This one I just left it open and I used washi tape just to make it more durable, so you can most definitely do that. And I put, you know, a little cover on the front. But that is how you do it, guys. That is easy, so easy to do. And I love the way it opens up, and you can have it sitting. You know, I was almost thinking of turning it into a keychain, but I don't know, I think you need a drill or heavy duty punch to go through all those papers. And I just, you know, this is just a homemade shimmer mist that I sprayed down all my pages with, and used some stamps that I had kicking around. You know, you just use your smaller stamps, and if you want an inspirational book or what have you, and I just stickled, you know, little dots all over it, and that's how it goes together. Easy peasy. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.